Whereas in this module, we will see the relationship between the social work and social welfare, and moreover, the how the social welfare administration plays an important role in the profession of social work as a secondary method. If we see that what is social work? Social work can be defined as a discipline which is important and in which the efforts are made for the better adjustment and development of the individual to enhance their social functioning within the society. So social work is a discipline using specialized techniques, approaches, principles for administering the social welfare services. So we can say that social work is a process, is a practice. Through using social work practice, the objectives of social welfare are achieved. Social welfare can be defined as an overall term, a comprehensive term, a holistic term, satisfying a state of total well-being, the whole well-being of the community. So the objective of social welfare services is to attain the whole well-being and the welfare of the community people. If we see the role of a social worker in areas of administration, it is important to mention that all the methods, whether the primary or the secondary method of social work, all the services are provided by a professional social worker having a professional degree in the discipline of social work profession. So similarly, the social workers have a very significant role in the areas of social welfare administration. We see that the social worker plays an important role as the organizer in organization and structure of the social welfare administration. Organization means that to organize the community people, to organize the efforts of the individuals, to organize the resources of the community, which can be helpful in the social welfare administration to achieve the objective of the welfare of the community people. Simultaneously, the social worker can play an important role in the policy making and in the phase of planning and in the program development and use of sound methods and techniques in the social welfare administration. So the social workers, by using the casework method, the group work method, the community organization, the social research or the social action, even these all methods can be used in social welfare administration, which is itself a secondary method of social work profession. So by using the social research, the social workers can formulate the policies, and by using the community organization, the social work can make the best use of this method for the organization of the community people to achieve the objective of social welfare administration. And the social worker, in the role of advocate, in the role of the educator, can play an important role in the function of the executive bodies and the board management. The remaining features of the role of social worker in the areas of administration, if we talk about, we see that the specialization and coordination is an important role of a social worker in the field of social welfare administration. The social worker as a professional social worker and having the specialized professional degree in the discipline of social work can provide the specialized services in the welfare agency and can provide the role of a coordinator and can create the coordination between the different existing social welfare services within the community, and also can supervise the different projects, and also provide the role of leadership, as well as can play the role of leadership himself or herself, and also can prepare the people for the role of leadership. And as a liaison officer within the community, can be very helpful in the public relationing, because of the being familiar with the community and knowing about the community profile, can be very helpful in the public relationing, and also having the experience of working in the different welfare agencies as a professional social worker can be helpful in the maintenance of proper records, and can also provide the training to the personnel of the agency in the maintenance, that how the records are maintained in a professional manner. The social worker can also mobilize the community resources as the motivator, can motivate the community people, and can provide the awareness to the people about the community resources which may not be familiar, and can also bring awareness among the community people about the resources of the agency as well, because sometimes the people are not aware that what kind of the welfare agencies are working for what kind of domain, and which kind of help can be sought from which kind of welfare agency. Simultaneously, the social worker can be helpful for the social welfare agency to acquire resources for the working of the agency as well, and to expand the functioning and the areas of working of the social welfare agency itself. So the social worker can provide help in the different areas.